Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to share skills across your team in Claude Cowork. So in this video I will show you how to share skills across your team in Claude Cowork, because let's say that you build a skill, it works perfectly fine, and now some of your friends or some of your team in your job actually needs it and wants to use it. How can you share it? Because you can actually do it very easily. You can just download the skill and you can send it to someone. So now I will show you how you can do it. In order to download the skill, of course you have to go into the Cowork section, and inside of this Cowork section we have the Customize tab. If I will go into this Customize tab, we have skills right there, and I have here some skills. Basically one skill, this Monday briefing skill that I created in the video, I think before some of the previous videos, I created this Monday briefing skill. How can we download it? We have to press on the three dots right there, and here you have something like download. You have to download it from there, and you have to save it. For example, I will save it in the Cloud folder, so Monday briefing, that skill with the skill extension, and save that. Now, if you have it on your computer, now the job is very easy. You just have to send it to someone. But now I will show you how you can actually upload this skill, because maybe I will uninstall it for now, like this. And let's say that you want to upload the skill, so you send it to your friends. How your friends can actually upload it? You have to click on Customize, and you have to go into Skills, and you have this plus button right here, Add Skill. Now you have to go into Create Skill, and you have to press on Upload the skill. And now you just have to go into this folder, Documents Cloud, you have to click on that, you have to click on Open, and your skill will be uploaded in a second. As you can see, it is working fine. And that's basically all in the video. This is how you can share your skill in Claude Cowork, basically by downloading it, and later you can actually upload it into your own environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.